Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create VK account. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, after installing VK app, just simply launch the application. Now, once you are here on the app's interface, just tap on the option of sign up in order to create an account. Now you have to choose a country code. Choose a country code according to your location or region. So let me select my country code. Now simply enter your phone number in this field given. Now after you have entered your phone number, simply tap on continue at the bottom. Now after this, you will be receiving a call. However, you won't have to answer that call, but instead, you have to enter the last 6 digits of that phone number. Now after entering it, tap on continue. Now you will come to this page where you have to enter your personal information. So let's start by entering our first name. Now let me enter my last name. Now let's select a gender. Now at the left hand corner you can see a plus icon. That is for your profile picture. If you tap on it, your gallery will be opened, but this step is optional. Now select your birthday. Now let me select my birthday. Here we go. Now again tap on continue at the bottom. Now you'll come to this page where you have to enter a password for your account. Make sure that you create a strong password for your account. Now after you have entered your password, just re-enter password in order to confirm your password. After you have entered your password, simply tap on continue at the bottom. Now let's wait for some time. Now once you come across this page, you have to select these options. What do you want to use VK for? So you can select only one of these options. So let me select one of these options and then tap on continue at the bottom of the screen. After this, you may want to enter your email address. However, this step is optional. So you can read these details above about why your email address is needed. If you entered your email address, you can either tap on continue or simply tap on later in case if you don't want to enter your email address for now. So for now, I'm just going to tap on this option of later. Now over here, you can add friends from your contacts or just simply tap on skip at the top right corner. Now over here, you can upload your photo or just tap on skip for now. Now over here, you have to select some topics that interest you. You can select as much topics as you wish to. So let me select some of these topics and then tap on next at the bottom of my screen. Now again, you'll come across varieties of options. Tap on any of these options and then simply tap on save at the bottom again. Now, within a matter of seconds, you can see that your VK account has successfully been created. So, this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.